Hello, ma'am. Good morning. How are you?
A very good morning. I'm doing great in my element. Thank you for your concern. Tell me, how are you?
Yes, I'm also doing amazing and exceptionally well. Thanks for asking. So, how's your day going so far?
Yes, good day is going productive. Actually, today my husband was busy, so I went to my daughter's school to drop her. But mostly my husband goes to drop her school. So yes, that's how I started my day quite early. And after dropping her, coming back, just completed my household chores and then prepared breakfast for me and my husband. So that's how I just spent my day. And now I am here to talk to you.
Yeah, actually, I was waiting for this session for a long time, and yeah,
First of all, so sorry. Actually, yesterday we planned this session, but I had to go somewhere. Being a housewife, it's quite difficult to manage time. Sometimes your timing does not match with my timing.
yes,
So that's
yes.
how it
Yeah,
happens.
it's okay. It's completely fine. And
Yes.
yes, now you are here, and thank you so much to accepting my request and being me here. Okay. So since, ma'am, we are meeting for the very first time, so could you please define yourself in a nutshell?
Sure, sure. Why not? Coming to me, my name is Meenakshi. I hail from Punjab. Currently, I am homemaker and proud mother of one daughter. Meanwhile, I'm running a YouTube channel by the name of English with Meenakshi. Moreover, I teach spoken English. I have four students. I am teaching them. So my hobbies are learning new skills and expanding my knowledge day by day. I believe in perseverance. I am a resilient kind of person. I am go-getter. I believe that whatever comes in your way, you have to embrace that and find the new ways. And then you should start your journey and try to rebound yourself as soon as possible. So it's a nutshell introduction from my side.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, and glad to know about yourself. So let me introduce myself as well. Yeah. So my name is Mamta, and I'm from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I'm a homemaker and a mother of one. And yes, I'm also running a YouTube channel by the name of Mamta's Magic Talks. I think this is a best platform for us. So I think learning with serving is a best concept. Learn anything, right? So yeah, that's why I'm here. So yeah, this is pretty much about me.
Yes. Wow, what a wonderful introduction and great to know about you as well.
Okay, so let's diving into the session because I have two main question and I would love to ask you because as we all know that Independence Day is around the corner. So I have a some question related to it. So well, not exactly about Independence Day, but something connected to the idea of freedom. So we often talk about equality, equal opportunity, and freedom for everyone, right? But what do you think? Do these things really matter in our society, or do we sometimes just talk about them for the sake of appearances? According to you, what do you think about it?
Okay. So, like nowadays, people are just preaching that we should give the freedom, autonomy to the women, but actually they are not into it. I am right. This is
Yes,
your question.
yes,
Okay. Yes, exactly. Even I have seen in urban area as well, in cities. Like I'm not talking about only village, I'm talking about the cities. Still, they have a conservative mindset. They have a traditional mindset that women do not allow to do this and that. Okay, even after getting married, once the girl get married and if she's lucky, she's fortunate enough, if she has a supportive husband, supportive in-laws family, so that's how she can pursue her career.
yes,
But however, if she does not have supportive family, so I guess she has to bury her confidence, her skills, everything,
yes,
and she has to keep aside it,
yes.
right? So I am going to share one real case. I don't want to mention name. Actually, some of my they are my close one. I'm talking about her.
Mhm.
Just few days ago, I visited at their home, and the just scrap collector were there. was there. And what happened? The daughter-in-laws shouldn't allow to come outside until unless the scrap collector was over there,
Okay.
right? They put the curtain aside and they said, like their in-law said, okay, so please, you had to lock yourself in the room at least for 10-15 minutes until he was there. So can you imagine, the family is living in the city, but still they have conservative mindset. So how we can tell them? Apart from that, some of them, they have now they have open minded. Okay, like we can see nowadays most of women, they are going to abroad.
Yes.
Why? Because their parents give them freedom, support, everything. Okay, because they want. But I really wanted to appreciate that person whosoever had sent her daughter first time in abroad. And after that, how many people followed her, followed their fingerprints.
Yes.
So yes, we have to take the initiative. First step is always there. If I am going to do somewhere, probably I have to face some challenges. I have to, victim of the criticism. So I have to face, like listen many things from people. But if I take the initiative, after some time, I can see the drastic change and people can follow my footprints.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
here I wanna mention here that we should give the autonomy to the girl, women, wife, whatever it is. Okay, she also has a strong, strong infrastructure, strong mind infrastructure, so that she can continue her career as well. Because obviously, if she's going to start something, she must have to face some challenges, setbacks, because
Yes.
these things are must be there. Okay,
Yes,
my
definitely.
opinion.
Yeah, even today we can see that there are many women like who are still struggling with certain families' restrictions. We can say they genuinely want to do something in their lives, but they can't simply because of those restrictions, right? And I
Yeah.
would love to share something here. I have two friends who are very good at English, and they genuinely want to come on my channel and have a conversation with me, but because of their family restrictions they are not able to do so. And they have this fear that what if my family members find out that I am like appearing on a YouTube channel, they might get angry or create problems for us. So sometimes I feel really bad when I see situation like this. At the same time I feel grateful and think that, like, thank god I don't have to face such restrictions in my own life. But I think, ma'am, but this makes like me wonder, if someone has the desire, the determination and the ability to do something but doesn't have the freedom to pursue it, then how we can say that we are truly living in a free India? What does freedom actually mean to you?
According to me, freedom is not that, okay, we are just, chant the slogans of something. It could
Yes.
be anything. I am living in a family. The family mindset is not matches with my aura. Okay, like I want a baby girl, but my family want, baby boy,
Yes.
right? So somewhere our aura is not matching to each other. Okay, so it can also the one reason of conflict. Okay,
Yes.
so I wanna say that women or girls should have a strong mind infrastructure, which I already mentioned, because she has to face some challenges. Okay, nowadays girls and women can't stay quiet and mum for their rights. Okay, so
Correct.
if she wants to build the career. Like it is caught saying by someone that if you are educating the man, you are educating only individual, but if you are educating the women, you are educating the society,
Yes.
right? Because this time, if I am, if I am educated, okay, I have one daughter, I will definitely give her good education, etiquettes, everything. But if I am not educated, I will make my daughter also afraid of small things.
Yes.
She would not have that kind of mindset because obviously she's my DNA, right? So somewhere she will feel inferiority complex in her, and she will feel, she consider others superior than her, right? But if I am giving her positive affirmations that you are the wonder of the world,
Yes.
okay, so these messages can change her mindset, her aura, everything. So freedom means freedom cannot be only for women, okay? Man should not impose the restriction on women,
Yes.
right? Like if women is allowed to do anything, she has autonomy to make her decision, so definitely she will grow her children as well,
Yes.
right? Because her children is the future of this world, of this generation,
Correct.
right? So should give them freedom. We should allow them to choose their careers, whatever they want to do. If she doesn't want to go outside, so okay, let her be, okay, no problem. If she doesn't want to go outside, we should not impose any restriction. If she is handling the household responsibility, but she is handling wisely, so we should allow them. So this is called freedom. We should not impose any restriction on women. So this is my
Yes.
opinion.
Completely agree with you. And yes, I think this is the freedom actually, because there are many of us, we usually want to do something in our life, but somewhere just because of some restriction, we can't do it, right? So as we are talking about freedom, so what kind of atmosphere in your family? Like everyone is very very friendly or very expressive or not?
Exactly. But to be honest, by God grace, here I am living only with my husband and daughter. We are three here. My in-laws family live in Karnal. But by God grace, they also have a, open-minded. They have their mind is also open. Like they don't have, like my mother-in-law living in the village, okay? But still, she's not imposing me that you should have boy as well. Right now my daughter is 5.5, okay? She's not saying that you should have boy, you once she will get married, then who will responsible to
Yes.
your family, everything, right? But she's not saying, like she's not preaching. Even though my mother sometimes impose me, my sometimes says me this thing, are you mad, why you are doing this? So then I already prepared my mind, this is my firm decision that I am not going to have second child. Then she said, okay, it's your choice. Okay. But when she comes again, then she again start preaching. Okay. But here my husband is a very optimistic personality, open-minded kind of person, always supports me. Even if when I, take session with boys as well, he doesn't, give me even a gestures because he has a trust on me. Okay. He says ki if I will impose restriction on you, may feel underconfident and you can't grow in your life. But I know, but please build my trust. Okay. So that's how. So I am very happy in my life. I am content that I have a this kind of family, loving family, and I don't have any kind of restriction living around them.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your real life experience. Yeah, okay. So, if you have any question for me, so you can ask.
Okay. So what message would you like to give on Independence Day regarding women?
Yes, as you already mentioned all the things. So, actually, my concern is mutual, but I would love to share my thought in that way, because yes, these days many of women, like they are suffering from restrictions, from boundaries, we can say, right? So I definitely love to tell that please don't do it. Please let them free, let them fly, let them do whatever they want in my life, for me, because I always believe in myself. I know
Yes.
that whatever I am doing, it is completely correct, it is completely fine. So yes, I always appreciate who truly want to do something in their life. So I think this is the freedom, and we should follow it.
Yes, exactly. We should have most of them now. They like many of girls are now, women's are now engineer, doctors, right? So they are already pursuing their career. Why? Because they have support from their family. So that
Yes,
is also a one reason. Okay, so we can take an example of sometimes like we have a low self esteem as well. ओके समटाइम्स क्या है कि गर्ल अपने आप पर विमेन अपने आप पर विश्वास ही नहीं कर पाती है वाई शी डज नॉट हैव बिलीव इन हर सेल्फ ओके सो लाइक आई कांट डू दिस आई कांट डू दैट सो वी डू नॉट हैव अ फियर ऑफ judgment. Sometimes
yes,
we judge ourselves, we start judging ourselves, we start underestimating ourselves, but
yes,
we should not do this. For instance, I can take an example of J.K. Rowling. How many times she wrote down her manuscript. Okay, and how many times she was rejected? 12 times her manuscript was rejected. Okay, but one publisher has had accepted her manuscript, and then she had written a book, series of Harry Potter,
yes,
right? So
exactly.
now now she's quite famous. But what if she quit in the midway? She started feeling that I am not capable enough, I don't have potential, I am not capable. So what if kuch bhi nahi hona tha, people would know, people would not recognize her. But now many of us know her. We all are know that who is that J.K. Rowling, because of her potential. Okay, because
Attention.
she never ever quit. So
Yes,
I would
ma'am.
say we should also believe in ourselves.
Yes, there are many friends, and they always ask to me, like, Mamta, why are you doing these all things? Like, you do all your household chores, and you are, maintaining your home. Whatever your responsibility towards your family members, right? You are doing very well. Then how do you do this? Like, you have that much time? But I always say that, like, we have to grab a time for ourselves, right? This is the real thing. If you really want to do in your life, you have to jump into your dreams. So this
Yes.
is a nuisance thing in your life. You have to do it.
Exactly, you are absolutely right. And it's a lame excuses, I would say, right? Like if I have to go somewhere, okay, but I am literally tired, okay, and
Yes,
I didn't take rest yesterday, but I have to go. So obviously I'll wake up around 4 and 5 if I have to go, okay. But what we do now, so we can't, we are not waking up early in the morning. So most of our hours, taken by our sleep. Okay, so if I wake up early in the morning, I can squeeze out some time for me, right? If I squeeze out only for half an hour or 1 hour for me, so that is sufficient. I can see the drastic change in my skills if I am giving only 1 hour to myself every day. So this is a lame excuse कि मुझे time नहीं मिलता है. This is a very big excuse.
yes, ma'am. Yes, completely agree with you. Okay, ma'am. So I would love to know that these days, if you learn something new, so please share with me and related to English.
Okay. Means what I am learning, right?
Yes, whatever, like any sentence structure or any new words, anything.
Yes, the vocabulary is there, the words are there. It's like yesterday, what I learned, simplicity never goes out of style. Like
Okay.
I believe in simplicity, right? And I really love my surrounding would be simple. I also want to live very simple. ठीक है? I just only have a, I am fond of just open my ears and apply little, simple lipstick. Not
Lipstick.
apart from that, nothing else. Yes, I just apply lipstick and this open my hair. So this is my, daily routine. Whenever I come on my session, I just open my ears, comb it, and apply little lipstick. So simplicity never goes out of style. Okay, and apart from that,
Right.
less is
Okay.
more,
Mhm.
right? And one more I learned, I forgot, less is more, simplicity never goes, smoke and mirrors, right?
Smoke and
So
mirror. Okay.
like people seem like smoke and mirrors nowadays, so we should not trust on anyone with impulsively, right? We should ask something, whatever you are going to trust on someone, so you should not take impulsive decisions. So this is the meaning of this idiom, smoke and mirrors. So yesterday I learned these expressions and words.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing here with
Yeah.
me and for my audience. Yeah, definitely. Just because of lack of time, we have to wrap this session. So thank you so much.
Feeling is mutual and for inviting me on your YouTube channel. And I really love exchanges ideas with you. Thank you so much. I loved your insights.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Have a great day ahead.